Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a film simulation recipe I came across on the Fuji Weekly website. I always check this out almost every week, and there is, without fail, a new film simulation recipe to give a try. So this one is a little bit different. It's called Grizzly Ride. Now, it was made by a reader of the page, Emmanuel Sander. Now, he also has an Instagram. There's some amazing pictures on his Instagram. I will link that down below so you can definitely check it out. Now, this film simulation is definitely a little bit different. It is based on the Eterna bleach bypass. So if you've watched some videos before when we did the samples of some of the bleach bypass sample images, definitely a very kind of desaturated colors. So this one is really reminiscent of, again, vintage, kind of some vintage look, really grainy, really almost gritty, really desaturated colors, a bit of a yellow dark tinge to it. So I was out today, and it is a long weekend here in Canada, and so usually it's supposed to be nice weather, but of course, long weekend, it is rainy and wet, but it kind of gave a neat look to this simulation. So I took a bunch of pictures. I visited a park that was redone here as like a parkade, and on the top level of that, the city created a park where there's picnic tables and benches, that kind of stuff. So you can kind of walk up the parkade, which made it kind of neat because the parkade was basically completely empty. Nobody's there, long weekend, no one downtown, no one going to work. Mix that in with a lot of people working from home still. Very, very quiet on the streets today. So kind of gave a good look to this simulation. I did like it. Overcast, wet day. I'm gonna go give this one a try on the next kind of sunny day to see how the colors will change and how the feel of these images would definitely kind of change, I think, with a brighter outlook in the sky and that kind of stuff. So I hope you like it. I actually took a lot of pictures, so there's a lot to look at here. Hopefully you enjoy the Fujifilm simulation. Now, I will leave the recipe down in the description below so you can check this out on your camera, and also I will leave it at the end after the pictures so you can check that out and install it. Now, one thing to do in mind, this is based on Eterna bleach bypass, so it's going to be a newer Fuji camera. X-T4 is what I used, and it also does use the clarity function. So with that, when you're taking a picture, it can kind of slow down because it takes a second for it to kind of process. So it kind of slows you down, but you get used to it as you go. So hopefully you enjoy these photos, and as always, they are numbered. So let me know if there's a favorite that you like, any kind of constructive criticism. Let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate it. So don't forget, if you liked an image or you have some feedback, I always appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what number you liked. Let me know what number you didn't like. Let me know if you've tried this film simulation yourself. If you're coming back, let me know how you enjoy it. That's it, everybody. Hopefully you enjoy the photos. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.